Next, we have, or lastly, we have the coefficient of variation. So, coefficient of variation indicates how large the standard deviation is in relation to the mean. So, the coefficient of variation is computed as follows. So, what is the symbol again? Your standard deviation divided by your mean times 100, then percentage sign. So, ano ang imuhang coefficient of variation? Simply your standard deviation divided by your mean. So, um, coefficient of variation. So, again, it's your standard deviation divided by your mean. And then, ato ang so, the parenthesis, kaya ato siyang multiply by 100. So, our coefficient of variation is 4.20%. So, mo na to ang coefficient of variation. So, there you have it. Now, kani siya, imuhang mga measures of variability. So, one more thing is that Excel also provides a much easier way in in getting all those things by using the descriptive statistics tool. So in your data tab, you have right here an analysis section. Now, if you don't have your analysis section open, you can add it by clicking File and then go to the Options. Then in the Options, go to Add-ins. Then from Add-ins, click on the Analysis Tool Pack and then click on Go. Then you just select these two add-ins, Analysis Tool Pack and Tool Pack VBA. Then click OK. And then once you click OK, this section right here will appear. Now, you can just simply choose Data Analysis. So, click on Data Analysis. And then, here, there are a lot of different tools can already be used. So, we have the ANOVA, covariance, F-test, the t-test, the z-test. You also have the regression, samplings, and percentile. So, let's choose for the descriptive statistics. So, that's it. That is our topic. Descriptive statistics. So, click OK. And then range. Your range is your X values. So, that is from B3 to B14. So, that is your range. Then, group by columns. Labels in first row. Let's do this. Labels in first row. Okay. Oh, one thing. If you include labels in first row, include selecting the label as well. So, let's include here. So, there will be a label. So, include the label and then select labels in first row. Then, for the output range, let's just select, or for the output options, let's select the output range. And then, let's just choose it inside. Let's have it at K2. And then, after which, let's have summary statistics. And then, click OK. Once you do that, here it will appear. Charang! Magic. Diba? See, you already have here the mean, the standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the sample variance, kurtosis skewness range, the lowest value, the maximum value, the sum, and the count. So, it's a summary statistics. So you don't have to undergo all those things that we did. If you don't want to undergo all those things that we did, you can just simply make use of this data analysis tool. So that is how you make use of the descriptive statistics tool in Excel.